Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from Amazon. It is something. Ooh, it's a new padlock. So, let's tell you the story of this before we get into it. So, first, we went outside because we got a new running machine. We had to put the rubbish in the
outside, yeah.
our garage because the tip wasn't open. So we put it in our garage for like next week so we can put it in. So we couldn't open it. We couldn't open the lock. So then my brother jumped over and opened the garage door. And I tried to, we all tried to unlock it, but it couldn't. But then I came in, the pro, and unlocked it. Lock breaking control.
So what is this a lock for?
Our garage. No, not
Why is that dropping down?
That's the cap, isn't it?
There's a cap, but why is it dropping down like that?
I don't know.
Well, that's not much use, is it? How's it gonna swing here? How's it gonna put things getting in there if it drops down like that? Even the Wolfson one we got was not like that.
But that one looks more bulky.
Looks more bulky, but look. Seems a bit better now. Anyway.
So,
I'll have a look in darling.
so that's the story of
Yeah.
why we got a new lock for our.
Should I open it then? We don't know
Wait,
what to open.
for our gate,
Yeah, the back
Yeah,
gate, not
back
for.
gate.
You just made it sound like the garage. It's not a lock for the garage, it's for the back gate. It's just like a wooden gate to the back garden, and
that
That's-
looks pretty compact.
just put it up a bit because I can't see big enough.
That looks pretty compact.
There, yeah, it's quite solid. It got good reviews anyway, and it was Amazon Prime, and we needed it
Yes.
for the back door. So let me just get some scissors. You snip it. So what's it saying? It's got 3 keys, which is what we need. 4 keys actually. Best cut resistant, limited lifetime warranty.
We can put one on your
Level
your key
8.
too.
Level 8. So out of 10 being the best, this is level 8. Okay, so should I
We
open
can
it?
put it one on this key.
Yeah.
Your key and this key.
Yeah, so should we cut this open?
Yeah. They didn't really compact. Like they put in like a cover for the keys.
What is that key?
These are keys for the padlock, isn't it? The key.
Padlock.
Yeah. See how you get this. Oh. Just put your scissors in there. That's good. So we've got that off. Keys out. So keys are quite nice and solid. The other key for this Rolston one was a bit strange, and it did end up being. But we had it for quite a while, didn't we? Haven't had it for quite some time, huh? Yeah. There's like a padlock on the thing as it is, right? So what you have to do, you actually have to unlock it to get it off the thing. I think.
Wait, are there different keys
Yeah.
for each person?
Yeah. One key. It's the same thing. So yeah, that seems.
That looks like a one of those